Well, guys, I'm sick, and today I've come to one of my least favorite places here in the country of Thailand, and that is to the hospital. But I have come to Samitivej Hospital, which is one of the best here in Bangkok. So I'm going to share this experience with you as well as the healthcare costs here in Thailand. Samitivej has many hospitals throughout Thailand. This particular branch is located on Samitivej 49, right in the heart of Bangkok. This is one of the leading hospitals here in Southeast Asia. First thing I have to do is we have to go inside, get checked in, and I'll show you guys around, show you some of the costs of some of the things, and I'll explain to you again why I'm here today and what's going on with me. But let's go step inside to this place. I think this is one of the best hospitals here in Bangkok. The Samitivej hospitals are privately owned, very high-end. I mean, look at this lobby. There's even a baby grand piano here. How opulent is that? First thing I need to do is to go and check myself in so I can go and see a doctor. And I'll tell you what's wrong with me today. I'm here today because I've got a nasty headache, sore throat, and just coughing again. It seems like I have another respiratory infection here in Bangkok. It's about my fourth or fifth one since I arrived here a year and a half ago, and I really like to get down to the source of it today if possible. Now I have to walk over to this counter over here, and it's like a triage center, so I have to go over here, get myself registered, get myself checked in, and then we can go. That took all of about 2 minutes to get checked in, and I'm just gonna have to sit down here and wait for a nurse or a doctor to see me. As you can see, it's not very busy today. There's not many people here at all. And guys, this is why I love coming to this hospital. Well, I don't love coming to hospitals, but this is why I love coming to Samitivej. Literally 5 minutes after I sat down, they came up, gave me the paperwork, and told me to go see the doctors at counter number 4. The service here is unparalleled. So I went to counter number 4 and had a nurse check my vitals. Just had my blood pressure taken and my weight, which wasn't great. Definitely got some high blood pressure. Now I'm waiting to see a doctor. That was pretty quick. Got to see the doctor, and he told me that it looks like I have some kind of a chest infection because I'm still coughing a bit and I've got some phlegm. Basically, he's going to give me some antibiotics for my headache and for my respiratory infection. Hopefully that will solve it. While I'm waiting to get my medications and to check out for the services that I've gotten here, let me give you a little bit of a tour of this hospital. Again, Samitivej is located in the heart of Bangkok here on Samitivej 49. It is equipped with 275 beds and has more than 400 care specialists. It has some of the latest technology to access and treat patients alongside a highly trained and vastly experienced team of medical professionals. Now, let's head upstairs to the Children's Hospital section. They are well known for having one of the best children's hospitals here in all of Bangkok. And as you can see from the outside, there's obviously children being seen here, and the rooms they have are phenomenal. Their ear, nose, and throat center here is excellent. I've been here several times because of my respiratory infections, and they've always given me excellent care that I really appreciated. Now, this is the intensive care unit. There's lounges everywhere here, very high-end, coffee and drinks. This hospital really knows how to cater to its clientele. There's so many different floors at this hospital, and well, I'm trying to get a little exercise by using the stairs instead of the elevators. And I'm just trying to show you guys some of what I can without actually showing you any of the patients. This section here is the pulmonary center, which deals with any kind of lung diseases and infections. The whole hospital is very grandiose. Even here on the second floor, straight ahead, we have the intensive care unit, and then there's a whole nother section downstairs. All right, guys, let's take a quick walk downstairs. I'll show you some of the other areas over here. This is the heart center, and yes, it's a whole center dedicated for dealing with heart issues, arterial issues, etc. Quite impressive. Now, this over here is for any SCB customers. It is actually a first-class lounge. So if you're an SCB Bank customer, you have access to this amazing private lounge. And if first class isn't enough, there's also the Samitivej suite for those really high net worth individuals. Next up is the Sports and Orthopedic Center, and I hope to never have to visit this, well, especially considering how much I love to go skateboarding and bike riding and all that stuff here in Bangkok. Now, Samitivej is the healthcare provider of choice for many local Bangkok residents, expats, as well as a growing number of medical travelers from around the world. The hospital boasts a multilingual workforce and provides international services such as interpreters and immigration assistance. They have a variety of rooms available, everything from this basic 6,600 baht room all the way up to this crazy presidential suite, which will cost you 25,000 baht per night. But if you can afford it, you can definitely stay here in luxury and enjoy your stay at the hospital. They really put a lot of thought into design of this whole hospital. There's even a whole little garden area in the center where you can come, have a coffee, and wait. Okay, let's go downstairs and I'll show you what we got there. The downstairs is just like a little shopping center, including a Starbucks, bookstores, food, banks, pretty much anything you can think of. So if you ever come here and you're sick or you're hurt and you need something to eat while you're waiting, there's a whole food court down here. If you happen to drive here, the hospital offers plenty of free parking as well as free valet parking for your visit. You can choose to either park your car yourself or use a taxi to come drop you off. But if you decide to drive and you don't want to park, the valets here will take the keys from your vehicle, they will park it in the garage, and then when you're ready to come pick it up, they will deliver it to you all free of charge. Obviously, ambulances park here, and if you look down on this, it's a magnificent design. There's a whole second building that has Japanese hospital and a liver and digestive hospital section. I've actually not been to this other section over here with the Japanese hospital and the liver and digestive institute, so I'm kind of curious to go and check it out and show it to you. I'm having to cross the road to get to the Japanese hospital, so it's a whole separate wing. The whole Samitivej hospital complex is built of several different wings. And as you can see in this one here, we have to take another bridge to cross over into this section, which is the Japanese hospital. And this Japanese hospital is quite unique. It was opened with the intent of having Japanese nationals having a place where they can go specifically for their needs. I didn't realize that there were that many Japanese people living here in Bangkok that it was necessary to build a whole separate wing for them, but I find it quite interesting. There was a sign that I had to wear a mask, so I put one on briefly. Now, over here, we're at the Liver and Digestive Institute. I'm sure you're curious as the cost of today's visit for me, so let's go to the cashier and I'll show you. Well, that was quick and easy. I got all my medication. The total cost for this trip was 2,800 baht, which is about $80 US. Half of that, approximately 1,400 baht or $40, was for the actual doctor visit, and the other half was for medication. Of course, I have insurance and I use Safety Wing medical insurance. I'll give the information down in the description below. But even if you just walked in without medical insurance, $80 for this kind of a visit and medication is very inexpensive by Western standards, especially when it's at such a prestigious hospital. Well, since I'm already here and these medications require water, I might as well just sit down here and take them. So if you have good medical insurance or you can afford it, if you do ever get sick, I would highly recommend Samitivej Hospital. Guys, please check out some of my other videos. As always, don't forget to take care of yourselves, and I'll see you very soon in another of my videos. Stay well. Bye.